Hi dear students, welcome to Wisdom Era online class. As students, today I am going to do the textbook activity related to the adventures of the little air lesson. As open your textbook, page number 28. In that page, first B, vocabulary. Under that vocabulary, there are 6 families of words in the grid below. Each family has 5 members. Identify the families and list their members. One family has been identified for you. Students, here they given grid. In that grid, they given families. They given each family has 5 members. They done one example for you for the purpose of understanding. See here, chemicals, science, phosphorus, experiment, laboratory. These words are related to the science, isn't it? Like that, you have to identify those related family members and write in this column. Okay students, are you ready? Yes. Identified family 2. C. Radio, telephone. Next, telegraph. Next, electric bulb and phonograph. These 5 words are related to one family member. So write down in family 2 column, students. Under family 2, all of you write radio, telephone, telegraph, electric bulb and phonograph. Okay students. Next, identified family 3 is blaze. Next, smoke. Next, flame. Next, fire, quench. These 5 words are related to one family group. Write down under family 3 column: blaze, smoke, flame, fire, quench. Completed. Is come to family 4. Weak. Next, fragile. Next, strong. Next, deaf, lost, handicap. Okay, these 5 words are related to one family group. Write down under family 4 column: weak, fragile, strong, deaf, handicap. Next, come to family 5. Boxcar, platform. Next, train, coach, conductor. These 5 words are related to one family group. So write down under family 5 column. First, boxcar, platform, train, coach, conductor. These words are related to one family group. Next, come to family 6. Newspaper, magazine, periodical. Next, newsboy, weekly. These words are related to one family group. Students, write down under family 6 column. Write down here newspaper, magazine, periodical, newsboy, weekly. Completed? Students, these words are related to the adventures of the little AL lesson. Okay? They choose and given from the adventures of the little AL lesson. Completed, students? Yes. Next part is making new words. Yes. Observe here. Look at the way of the following words from the lesson have been split. Students, here they given words from the lesson. Those words have been splitted. First one, invention. Invention. Here they splitted the words from this word, that is invention. Yes. See, the splitted words are invent. Invent plus ion. Ion. Invent plus ion. That becomes invention. Next word, hardship. Hard plus ship. These two words become hardship. Next, operator. Operate plus or. Operator. Okay. Teacher. Teach plus your. Teacher. Understood? Here the words are splitted. We can make new words by adding a group of letters to a word. The group of letters added at the end of the word to make a new word is called a suffix. Students, what do you mean by suffix? Yes, here the group of letters added at the end of the word to make a new word is called a suffix. Suffix means the group of letters are added at the end of the each word that become a new word is called a suffix. Okay? Next, by adding a suffix, we get a new word whose meaning is different but related to the original word. Here, after adding the word, that is after adding a suffix, we get a new word, isn't it? Yes. That word meaning is different. That word meaning is different, but that is related to the original word. Understood about the suffix? Yes, suffix means it is a group of letters added at the end of the word to make a new word is called a suffix. Yes. After adding a suffix, we get a new word whose meaning is different but related to the original word. Understood? Yes. Next, by adding the suffix ion to the verb invent, we got the noun invention, which means something that is invented. See, dear students, first one, invention. Okay? The word invention, the suffix is ion. That suffix is added to the verb invent. It becomes invention, which means something that is invented. Invention means something that is invented is called invention. Yes. Another word, by adding the suffix or to the verb invent. Yes. Instead of ion, we add or to the invent. We got the noun that is inventor, which means a person who invents. It means a person who invents is called inventor. Okay? Did you got my point? Okay. Yes. Come to next part. Look at the list of suffixes and example words formed using them. Add 2 more examples of your own for each suffix. Students, here they given list of suffixes and examples by using these suffixes. They given here examples formed using by these suffixes. So in these blanks we have to write another more, that is another two examples of your own for each suffix. Here we have to write your own examples by adding suffix. Okay, first one, creation, education. Here you have to write dictation, presentation, ION. Okay, at the end of the word is here ION, ion. Is the word dictation gives the different meaning and presentation gives the different meaning. Okay, next word, hardship, relationship. The suffix is ship, ship. The suffix is ship. They given the examples hardship, relationship. Here we have to write friendship, scholarship. Next suffix, NESS. They given the example deafness, cleverness. You have to write hardness, thickness. Next suffix, OR. Examples are operator, inspector. The other examples are advisor, creator. Last suffix, ER. Examples are teacher, recorder. Other examples are opener, sticker. Students, understood about the suffix? Yes, I hope you all understood the concept or topic that is about suffix. Students, today I am quit this today's class. In the next class, I will continue the grammar part. Until then, take care. Bye. Thank you.